How to connect the Ultrapods Max, these wireless Bluetooth earphones that look like these here, and it's this version here to be exact. So if you got these here, Ultrapods Max wireless 5.4, I'll show you how to connect them to a Samsung phone. So before doing anything with your Samsung phone, first make sure these have battery life. Also make sure they were not already connected to another device. So go ahead and unpair them so they won't stay connected to that other device. Now, the first thing you want to do is, as they have some battery life, both in the case, you will take them out together at the same time. So take them out together at the same time and they will enter into pairing mode by itself. And you'll notice that the left side here, the one with the L, will be blinking in a blue-red flashing lights. This means that they're now in a pairing mode state. And while it's in that pairing mode state, you will use your quick access on your Samsung phone. And this works with any Samsung phone, whether it's Android 10 all the way to Android 14. So you'll look for the Bluetooth toggle and you're gonna long press it. And you can turn it on from here or go to details and turn it on from here. This way you can see what's going on. These are gonna show up as TWS, all right? Just so you know, they're not gonna show up as Ultrapods. They'll show up as TWS. When you select it, your phone will give you this pairing request prompt. Tap on it once. You'll see it says connecting, and then it's connected for the calls and audio. You'll also notice the lights are no longer blinking. They do auto reconnect if you put them back in the case and remove them. You can also tap here on the settings icon. That'll give you access to more settings. If in case you can't make calls with it, make sure you turn it on for calls and audio, and you can also rename them if you decide to do that. So like and sub.